So now I have started with the word. Now let's have a walk through the different some of the options in this video. So now this is the home tab which is given here, which has various functions such as if you want to copy paste cut something like that, you want to format the document. For example, you want to change the fonts, you want to change the size, you want to increase the font size, or you want to decrease the font size, or you want to go for a sentence case or the lower case of the selected part, or you want to convert it into a uppercase, you want to make your text bold or text italic or underlined, or you want to strike through the text. Some of the other options such as subscript options, superscript options, or you want to apply text effects and some of the typography. With this you can add some flair to your text by applying a text effect such as shadow or a glow, or you want to simply highlight your text with different colors, you want to use different colors for your text, this is not for highlighting. Okay, now some of the options of the paragraphs. In this you can add bullet points such as arrows, bullets, and various other options. Next, you can add numbering library. Next, you want to add a different multi-level list systems. You want to, let's say, center your content, you want to left align your content, or you want to right align your content, or you want to justify your content. Next, you want to change the line and paragraph spacing. So by this you can choose how much space appears between the lines of the text or between the paragraphs. You can select this, various options available. Next, you want to use different types of theme colors which you would like to add, or just you can also select no color if you want. Next, if you want to add the borders for your selection, or if you want to sort your content according to the alphabets or by the numerical order, or if you want to increase or decrease the indent. So next option which is given here is of the styles. You can use inbuilt styles which are available. So I have also created some styles. You can also create some of the styles whichever you want to use. And next options are if you want to find something in the document, okay, you can find. Okay, if you want to replace something, just type the word you want to replace and what with the words which you want to replace, and another word which you would like to add or replace. There are also more further options available. Next, if you want to select object, selection pane, etc. Now these add-in options might not be available in the older versions. So in this video I have covered the home tab. In the next video we are going to cover the insert tab options.